Okay. Next we are checking for the next you can got the output for B and C. So here check E closure of move of B comma A. So the B input symbol is 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 comma the input symbol of small a. So here check, you have to check based on the previous, I told the expression, previous explanation, you have to got solve the formula. So D transition of B comma A is B. So similar that you have to check and continue the problem. So what is the last iteration, how to stop the iteration for the given problem. For example, here you have to check D transition of D comma B will be equal to E. So here what is E? The E state is 1 2 4 5. E state is 1 2 4 5 6 7 10. This is for the states E transition states values. Now you can go for the E transition of E comma A. So E A comma A is 1 2 4 5 6 7 10. The input symbol is small a. So you have to check, one can be moved from 1 2 to 1 2 to 1 2 4 empty. Then check 2 is the next input symbol is 3. Then check 4 can move to the next symbol is 5 no need to add. Next check 5 to 6 is empty. Then check 6 to 7 is empty. Then check 7 to next one 8 is small input symbol of A. So what is the E comma A is 3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8 mean automatically you can write the value for same value 3 comma 8 will be equal to B. So here write B. Next check E comma B, similar the same explanation procedure, you have to solve the problem. The output is C. So E comma A will be equal to B, E comma B will be equal to C. So B and C already got the previous iteration, you can solve the previous iteration based on the input symbol of A and B, you got the output is B and C. So you didn't get for the any new value for the given E states. So until you didn't get the any new state, you can stop the problem. So what is the value? Next E comma A will be equal to B, E comma B will be equal to C. So here, so based on solve the all the input symbol of A and B, you can got the output is, A comma A equal to B, A comma B C, B comma A B, B comma B D, C comma A B, C comma B C. So similar that D A B, E A B. So this is for the, you can solve the problems. So this is for the next one. So what is the next step for the subset algorithm? The next step is transition table. Okay. The third one is transition table. Transition table. So how to write for the transition table? This is for states. Statement we are having for 5 states. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So what is the input symbol? So based on the given expression, we are having for 2 input symbol. One is small a, another one is small b. So what is A comma A? A comma A is B. A comma B, C. So similar that you have to write for the all the input symbol values, output values. B comma D, B comma C, B comma E, B comma C. This is for the next step. So the first step is you can draw the diagram. Second one, you can based on the subset construction algorithm, you can solve for the all the steps based on the algorithm. So based on the algorithm output, you can write for the transition table. This is for the third steps. So what is the fourth step for the given problem? Transition diagram. Transition diagram. Okay. So here, this is for the starting states. This is for the ending states. So the ending states will be indicated for here. I am indicating for start symbol. This is for the ending states. This is for the starting states. So then you can draw for the diagram. How to draw the diagram? States A. So A can be moved from the input symbol is small a. The state is B. Then check A to B, C. So C, the input symbol is B. Then check B, B comma A is B, same self loop, you can indicate for the input symbol A. Next thing, B to B, small d, B to B, small d, small b, capital D. Next is C to A, capital B, C to A, states A. Then C to B, C, self loop for the input symbol B. Next is check D, D comma A is B, so D comma A is B. Then check D comma B is E, E. So what is the E? E is the ending states. So the ending state can be indicated for the double circle. So the double circle will be indicated for the final states. So A is for starting states. So this is for the start symbol. So what is E? E can move from E comma A is B. So E comma A is A. E comma B is capital C. So this is for the, based on the transition table, you can draw for the transition diagram. So this is for the starting states, this is for the ending states. The ending states will be indicated for the double circle. It's clear? This is for the 4 steps. Then you can move for the next steps. The next step is minimization of DFA. Next step is minimization of DFA. So in your examination, we are having for 2 things. One thing is conversion of NFA to DFA mean, first based on the regular expression you can draw the diagram, NFA diagram. After that you got to solve for the subset construction algorithm. After solving the algorithm you can draw for the transition table and then transition diagram. You can stop the problem. Otherwise conversion of NFA to DFA with the minimization of DFA mean you can go for the 5th steps. Otherwise no need to go for the 5th step. You can stop the iteration for the 4th transition diagram. So next steps, minimization of DFA. Okay. How to check for the minimization? Based on the transition table. Okay. Check here. You are having for 5 states, A, B, C, D, E. So E is the accepting states, A is the starting states. How to do for the minimization? Here check, I am considering for the pi. So the pi, it's a set of having 2 groups. So one is accepting states, another one is non-accepting states. AS mean accepting states, non-accepting states. What is accepting states here? Accepting state is E. Non-accepting state is A, B, C, D. So here accepting states, no need to minimize for the accepting states values. Okay, here you can check A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So here check A, the output is B comma C. C output is B comma C. Both are in same values. Next check D. D, the output of D, A comma B is D of A is B, D of B is C, E is the accepting states. So the accepting states can be appear for the states of D. So no need to remove the value for D. States. So here you can segregate for 2 states. One thing is A, B, C, another one is D. Why we are no need to remove for the D value? The D states of output is E. So E is the accepting state. So the accepting states value can be comes under for the states D. So no need to remove the value for states D. So I can segregate for 2 groups. One is A, B, C, another one is D. Okay. Now you can check A, B, C. A and C both are in same outputs. So you can segregate A. Here you can write same E states. A, C same value, B same value, D same value. But D in no need to remove for the D states. A, C, B, D. You can check A, C. A, C both are in common values. but A is the starting states, so no need to remove for the starting states. So I can remove the states for C, I can remove. So what is the minimization? A, B, D, here states E. Okay. Okay. So based on the minimization of DFA, now I can do for the minimization of DFA transition table. Transition table. Check here, states, input symbol, small a, small b. So here 4 states will be there, A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. A is the starting states, D is the ending states. Here check A, B value will be there, but C not there, because C you are removing for the C states. So instead of C I can write for the value A. Next B is B comma D, B and D both states are available for the minimization. Next check D, B comma E. Next check E, the output is B comma C, B is there, but C is you are removing for the minimization. So what is the C? C and A value can be for same values. So instead of C I can write the value for A. This is for the transition table of minimization. Next, what do you write? After minimization, you can draw for the transition diagram. So how to draw the diagram? Based on the diagram. So here, starting states A. So starting states A can be moved to A comma A is B. A comma B is A. Next thing B can move from B to B, small a. Then B to B is D. Then D to A is B. Next thing D to B is E. E can be final state, we indicate for the double circle B. Then E to A, B. E to B, A. So this is for the transition diagrams. So in this problem, so conversion of minimization of N4 to DFA, first based upon the regular expression you can draw the diagram. Then input symbol you have to calculate the first operation. After calculating the first operation you can write the value for second operation. So based on the second operation, you can go for third operation. So the third operation, after completing all the operation, you got to go for the subset construction algorithm. So similar that you got to solve the problem. Then next thing, you got to after construction of algorithm, you got to draw the transition table and transition diagram. Next thing, you can solve for the minimization problem. After minimization, you can write for the transition table and then transition diagram. The problem is solved. So this is for the conversion of NFA to DFA. So conversion of NFA to DFA mean up to you can solve for the fourth step. Then after conversion of NFA to DFA, you got to minimization of DFA mean you got to go for the, you can solve the next step is minimization states, then transition table, then transition diagram. This is for the one problem. This is for the part B questions. It's clear that? So similar that you got to solve for the another problems. Same procedure you got to solve for the another problem. So you got to check and clear that. You got to clear and consider for the construction algorithm and operation on states. 3 operation based on the operation and subset construction algorithm. You got to solve for the simple problem. So no need to mug up for the given problem. You got to solve the problem in clear manners.